Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a 20 in 2020 project pan. Happy New Year, by the way. This is going to be the first video going up in 2020. And what better way to start the new year with a new project pan? I do have a 19 in 2019. That video will be linked down below. I did super well, so that is the reason why I'm doing 20 in 2020. So excited to start a new project. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. And let's just go ahead and jump right in. So I do have 20 products to share with you guys that I'm going to be penning this year. I'm going to start off in no particular order, just going to start off whatever's on top and go from there. So the first product I'm going to be trying to pan this year is going to be my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. I am halfway on this and really enjoyed this product, but once I just kept using it, I just put it to the side and decided it's time to finish this up in this year. So this is the first product, and again, my goal is going to be to finish this up. I actually really like this primer, so I'm excited to finish it off. You know, it's been chilling for halfway through for a while, so first product right there. Next up, I'm going to be trying to finish off my Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I have a ton of makeup setting sprays up there. If you watch my Shop My Stash videos, you can see all of my ones. Let me see, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have like 15 right there, and then I have some in my back drawer. So setting sprays is definitely something that I need to finish up in my collection and also use up what's in my backup drawer. So I want to go ahead and use this. I feel like it's about halfway, and it's the old packaging, so I also want to use that up. Another setting spray slash like makeup refresher or skin refresher is going to be this one by Pacifica. This is the Coconut Essence Hydro Mist. So I might be using this to kind of add more hydration to my skin after my skincare routine. And also I have used this Hydro Mist like after I set my foundation, just to kind of add some more hydration and kind of melt the powders onto my skin. But I'm also going to be taking this as well. And also my goal is to finish this off. Next up, a foundation I'm going to try to finish off is going to be my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I've had this since it came out, and if you guys know when this came out, it's a few years now. So I did mark it, and I am right there. So I'm going to try to finish this off. This is going to be a foundation I'm going to try to use. Hopefully it doesn't break me out because I've had it for a while. Yeah, I remember really liking it. It is more of a more like a full coverage foundation, which I like more medium coverage foundation. So hopefully this works out for me. So hoping no breakouts. Even though I just popped this and there was like 2 breakouts in one. Have you guys ever had those? It was like super painful too. But back to the project pan. Next product I'm going to try to pan is another primer, which is going to be this Origins Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer with Willow Herb. I've used this a handful of times. I'm sure there's a ton of product. It is an aerosol can, so hoping I can finish this off. Next up, I've never used this product, and I've had this sitting in my collection for a while, and I was like, Mariela, maybe this 2020 is the year to finish this product off, to use it and to finish it. So this is a MAC product. I'm going to count this as 2 products right there. This is the Studio Finish Concealer Duo in NW20 and NC25. I haven't used these like potted concealers in a while, so hopefully these work out for me. One's supposed to be good to kind of correct dark circles, which is this one, and then this one's more of like a brightening under eyes. So hopefully these work out for me. Again, I've never used this, so hopefully I don't regret putting those in this project. Next up, I'm going to be taking another MAC product, which is the Blot Powder in Pressed version. I just have mine in the medium dark. It's a blot pressed powder. This is the packaging. And then here is the inside. I've had this in my wallet for the longest time, in my purse, not my wallet. And I also found that I have another one of these in my powder drawer. So I don't know how I ended up with 2. So I'm going to try to finish this off again. I need to finish this off. I have another one in my powder drawer that I didn't even know I had 2 of. So going to finish that. Another powder I'm going to be trying to finish off this year is this Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. I have mine in the shade Translucent Light, and it's just like the loose version. I did already measure, and I tried to kind of make sure it's set, and I'm pretty much halfway. So hoping again that I could finish this off and then be able to add another loose powder to this project pan. Next up, I'm going to try to use up this IT Cosmetics concealer. If you guys watch my Shop My Stash videos, you guys know that I'm not a super big fan of this. It's really clumpy. A lot of product goes onto the wand. And I usually have to scrape off the wand to be able to apply to my lashes because I have gone just straight into my lashes and they're so clumpy. So I'm gonna try to finish this off. I've had this for a few months. I'm super bad at throwing away mascaras at 3 months, and I just feel like there's a ton of product in here, so I want to put it in this project, kind of use it, you know, more consistently than just randomly when I pick it during my Shop My Stash videos. And probably maybe in a couple months, if it's not done by then I will take it out because it definitely has been open for at least 3 months already. Next up, I'm going to put in 2 liners, both from Stila. I've had these for a while as well. These are the Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliners. One is in deep burgundy and the other one is in deep fuchsia. I'm not sure how much product I have in these because I tried to twist it up and it was really hard to get it to go back down. So actually I have a few of the product up from because I tried to push it down and I couldn't. See, you can tell on this one as well. So I'm just gonna try to finish these off as much as I can until I can't like scroll it up anymore. I feel like they're both like maybe half or a little less than halfway, so I'm gonna be trying to use both of these this year. I'm going to be including an eyeshadow primer. Trying to finish this Wet n Wild Photo Focus eyeshadow primer. I did measure it and I am about halfway on this, so I'm hoping to use up at least 1 eyeshadow primer a year. So hopefully I can do that. So yeah, I have an eyeshadow primer to focus on this year. I decided to pick 2 concealers to pan this year. One is by Maybelline. This is the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle Eraser Dark Circles Treatment Concealer. This is in Neutralizer. I did mark it already. As you can see, I'm pretty much halfway there, so hoping to finish this. And then I decided to pick one of my favorite concealers because I've had this for a while. I got this when I went to Generation Beauty New York, and that was like 2 years ago, I believe. So it's definitely getting older, and I do like this product, so I'd rather use it up than it go bad sitting in my collection. So I'm going to use this. This is the, did I mention, it's the Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. It's creaseless, soft matte, and it has hyaluronic acid, which it doesn't look super heavy on the under eyes, which I really like. And I ended up picking up the shade Toast. It's not like a perfect match for me, but it works. I'm going to try to finish off this bronzer. It has a really big pan, so hopefully I can finish it off. This is by Physicians Formula, and it's just the butter bronzer. And this is what I got, you guys. So I'm going to try to finish this off. I'm going to try to use what I can in the next month or so, maybe 2 months. I'll repress it, but this side is really thin, so hoping in like 3-ish months I could finish this off. We'll see, but I definitely want to use this up. I have 2 lipsticks in this project. The first one is by Buxom. I'm not sure what this one is called, but it's in the shade Dolly. So this is like my kind of perfect everyday kind of shades. And I'll go ahead and swatch it right there. A pinky nude color. I really like these for everyday use, and I can definitely take advantage of that. And then I also want to use up this Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I don't know what these are called, but this is in the shade Thick as Thieves. I do find this formula a little drier, so here is that. This one is definitely more pigmented than the Buxom one. The other one's creamier, but this one's more like, it feels more matte on the lips. So here are both of the shades I'm going to try to finish off. Oh, and this is how much product I have of that one. And then this is how much product I have. So pretty much around the same amount on both. So I'll be measuring these and marking them probably on the lipstick cap and then go from there. Hopefully I can finish both of these up in this year. Next up, I have a Super Shock shadow in the shade Sequin. So I'm going to try to finish, well, not finish, I'm going to try to pan. And I'm going to, once I pan this, I'm going to be rolling in another one. So I want to try to pan my Super Shock shadows. Again, this is in the shade Sequin. So I've had this for a while. Again, I just want to pan it. I heard that these are super easy to manipulate, but I have struggled to pan these just because I don't use them. So I'm not going to cheat and try to manipulate the product. If I hit pan, I hit pan, but this is one that I will be trying to pan. And then the last product I'm going to put in this project is also another eyeshadow, but it's a pressed eyeshadow. This is by MAC as well. Wow, there's a lot of MAC products. 3 MAC products in this project. And it's a single eyeshadow in the shade Swiss Chocolate. And my goal for this is just to pan it. I have about 10 single eyeshadows that are still in this container. And I just want to get more use out of them. So I'm going to try just to pan this. It pretty much has been used maybe 10 times if that, but there's no dips in here, so I will definitely have to put the work in to try to pan this. This is definitely a shadow that I could be using every single day, so I'm going to try to pan this year. So those are all the products that I'm going to be adding in this 20 by 2020 project pan. Let me know if you guys want monthly updates or bi-monthly updates. Yeah, let me know again down in the comment section below. If you're doing a project pan video, also let me know down in the comment section below. I've been like looking up project pans and 19 and 2019 finales and intros for 2020 as well, and I've just been going crazy watching those and commenting. I even had some people come to my channels like, I saw your comment in a lot of videos, so I decided to come to your channel to check it out. So that is proof that I have definitely been binge watching project pan videos. So if you again are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.